Let's talk about building the pig's pen. One of the questions I've been getting is, what should I choose between the walling? Should I go by using the wood to guard around it, or I should just use blocks to do the walling? That is of the rooms, okay, of the rooms. So I would say it really depends on the types of pigs you have on your farm. And the types of pig I'm talking about, it's not about the breed, but the behavior and the nature of the pigs you have on your farm. Personally, using wood on my farm will not work for me because my pigs are very stubborn. They are very aggressive pigs. And I'm saying this because from the gate, I use wood to make the doors to the rooms. And when they're hungry, you can see that they start attacking the wood, biting the wood and trying to eat the wood up. So if in my case, I try to use the wood to do the walling, it means these animals will end up biting and breaking the woods and end up escaping or entering the rooms of other pigs that they are not supposed to go to. Imagine me feeding a piglet or winners 3 times a day and feeding the matured ones twice. So if I use something like wood and the matured pigs are also close to the piglet, when I drop feed there in the afternoon, when the matured pigs don't have their own feed, they will end up biting the wood, break it down, and maybe jump into the rooms of the winners to join them to eat. And that's where they might even end up attacking the piglet. So for me, I think using the wood as a guide will not help me. That is why I always go by the blocks. So at least that one is strong enough due to the cement in it. It is able to prevent the pigs from biting. But it does not really mean that you also have to do the block, use the block to do the building. You can just use wood if your animals are a bit calm and they are not that aggressive. But the floor should be okay. It should be high enough so that water does not pass through there to enter the rooms. So you can lay about 2 blocks. So this distance from the floor is okay. Then you may use wood to continue it to the height you want. But in my case, like I said, using the wood will not help me. I'll have to be replacing the wood frequently. That is why you see me use blocks on my farm. But if you're also able to invest in the blocks, that one it will last you a longer time because it will not require you to be maintaining it frequently. It's just like building a house for yourself. The blocks you use, they will be there forever. So that's also one of the advantages of using the blocks. If you do it, it's a long-term thing, provided there's enough cement inside it and it is strengthened. It will help you to at least ease yourself from frequent maintenance. Other than that, if you're just starting and you're on a budget, using the wood might be a good option for you to choose. As you learn along and you want to go into more expensive materials for the building, then you can invest into it. So don't be one of those that materials for the pen construction will hold you back. Just start with what is available to you and observe your pigs. If they are gentle with it and they are not attacking the wood or whatever material that's available to you, then you can see that that will work for you and then you go that way. But in my case, even the gate, like I said, they are attacking the gate itself. So I'm looking for a way to even replace the gate with some metallic gate. And with that, they will not be able to attack the gate anymore and it will last longer for me. And also that's also one of the criteria I use in selling my pigs. If I see that you are being too aggressive to the extent of trying to jump out of the pen despite the height, and also you biting and destroying things, I observe all this behavior when I want to sell them. So the more stubborn you are, the shorter your lifespan on my farm. You quickly go. Okay, so that's basically what I just wanted to know in this video, that the building materials should not hold you back from starting. Use what is available to you and improvise on it. If it is working for you, you go with it.